This morning, like an hour ago, not even, I went to the store, got Red Bull and milk for the kids. Red Bull for me and milk for the kids. And then I come back, look at this. It's like I park in the garage. It's literally been like an hour maybe. It's snowing. Glad I got my snow tires on. I guess this isn't really a cold start, but it is cold. It's like 3 o'clock, and this morning we decided we were gonna go see a movie today, and it was snowing like a bit, but it still snowed all day, and I'm gonna drive the Mercedes to the movie theater with these goons. But I do have snow tires, so I think that'll be all right. But I do anticipate plowing some snow here soon. I think that got what I wanted it to, but it's a cool shot of this car. Off to the movie theater we go.